This is a photo I took at a wedding, and obviously I was shooting to the sun, which is obviously not a good idea. But we could fix this by turning it into a silhouette, and we'll make it into a great photo. Hi, my name is Paxton, and I demonstrate how to improve your photos through basic good composition. And follow along for the logic. Please like and subscribe, and let's get started. So first off, we are going to turn this into a silhouette by adjusting all these parameters. High contrast, we're pretty much going to take away all the color, and we want a black and white. Okay, that's pretty much it right there. Let's talk about this one. The story is obviously the people getting married. We have the guy who's doing the ceremony and a person here. This is not necessary. This distracts. This is not necessary. Nothing is necessary. We have this very interesting shape in the middle, which we won't be able to avoid. And so let's get started. This one's pretty simple. Basically, what you want to do is think about what you could remove that takes away from the story. So the guy on the right-hand side is not needed. We'll just frame it right there. On the bottom, we don't need the member of the audience there. Let's just put it way up high here. On the left-hand side, we want to probably right about here, so we have 4 people. We could do it here, but I feel like we're chopping off that interesting flower arrangement. So we're going to do it here. And I'm just going to pull this down a bit because we don't need all that empty sky. So from here on the right-hand side, we can see the high contrast right here. That our eye is going to go that direction, so we don't need that. We'll probably just crop it like around about there. You can see right here, there's a part of the shoulder on the person next to her going up, so we're going to crop it right at the low point. This is a little messy, but there's not much we could do about that. We could probably improve the contrast a little bit. This is really cool, and this is the main subject, and these are the 2 extras. And I like this. We have a very clean line going up this way. Let's finish this off. Pull this into about here. I'm going to try and get, and on the left-hand side, right about there. So what I want on the left and right is an equidistant between the people and the edge of the photo. Just to center it, give it some symmetry. As it's a wedding, as it's a ceremony, it's a formal occasion. So we do want to treat it with some formality by centering it. And I think we can call that done. So if you take a look at that, and this is the original, you can see, obviously, if you're shooting to the sun, you're just not going to get a good photo. But we could turn to a black and white, and his is a very dramatic photo, and it just captures the essence of the moment in a very unique way. And I think it's pretty cool. And I hope you see with just simple editing, simple framing, by removing what isn't the story, you could come up with some pretty good photography, even if the original isn't very good at all. So thanks for listening. I will see you in the next video.